In this video, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video guys, I'm going to teach you about strong price action and how we can move with the banks and how we can make money using this strategy. Guys, this strategy I'm going to show you, most of the people they pay for it, so make sure to stick around and make sure to subscribe so that you cannot miss anything which I post. So the first thing you need to identify is the trend. So just take for example, if you were, let's take for example, you were here, right, and you are looking the market at this, then you at this point, I'm sure you would have been drawing your supply zone from here. So but what I can tell you is this guys, let me show you something like this. What I can tell you guys is this: if you are drawing your supply zone here, you are becoming the liquidity. So it's either you are the liquidity or they become the liquidity. Let me show you this. If you see the price is moving like this, high, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, you need to see that this high is the price is making, this is liquidity. Then you are going to see prices doing like this. Maybe it's making small pullbacks. This is liquidity creating orders, right? So for example, if it's now you want to trade, for example, which demand are you going to look at? This one, or we are going to look at the demand which is here, and I'm sure this is a very good example. Something like this, guys. Let's do this so that it looks nice. Maybe the market is pushing like this, right? I know it's a weird example, but yeah, maybe the market is pushing like this, right? Maybe it has pushed, but if it is like this, yeah, you can choose. But then maybe it has pushed like this. Example, this is the example I wanted to show you. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Then I know it's a weird example. Then you see now you are here, right? Then you want to be entering. Where are you going to put your demand zone? Here, right? But you become the liquidity. The best demand zone the best supply zone should be put here. Your best supply zone, I think it can be here or here, or blocker, or an order blocker from here. It's either the two. Because I say so, because this is liquidity and this is liquidity. Maybe take for instance, here you have a very good trend line and price has broken the trend line, right? Then you want now to be entering from here. You want them to be entering. You just want the price to come from here, then do this. Yeah, which is the case. It can happen. Maybe it can do this, then comes here. Maybe to just do something like this, then it creates more liquidity, inducing more sellers, right? Then again it does like this, takes you out. Then here, once you see something like this, you see a pullback again here, maybe you want to buy, you think like, again here maybe you just enter quickly, again price takes you out, then it does this, then does this, then it drops again to the downside and again takes out this liquidity. Then here you think now, oh, we're in a downtrend, I wait for a pullback. You see a pullback, price hits the pullback, then getting another blocker here, then again pushes high, now taking out all these people now here, and you are like, oh, forex is a scam. No, you are the scam. The market will never be long. And once I understood this, and I stopped like blaming myself for whatever happens, things started to change. What else I can tell you is that as a person, as every human being, either you're a woman watching this, or a girl or a guy 17 years old, you need to know that life is not fair, and you need to fail. Alright? Everything will touch turns sour. That's the way life is. Don't expect like you're going to make money just that you are starting to done. You think like you make money. If you can see from here, forex is very simple, but we complicate it. You can see from here. I don't mean that I won't be making losses. The losses, yes, are there. But if you can see this area here, price has rejected this area multiple times, which shows you that this is a very important area I'm looking at. Once price takes out this liquidity, so look at this concept and another concept. If you see price is pushing like this, then it takes out this liquidity, right? Then here you had a very strong surprise zone. You just need to be looking to sell. Once you see something a double bottom, you can sell, you wait, and some people can wait for a break of the neckline, but for me I don't wait once I see the double bottom. So let's continue. So if you can see, this is a very strong level, and we can see the doji. After the doji, what followed? We had this inverse candle, inverse bar. The name doesn't matter. So if you can see, the sellers pushed the price high, but the buyers came and they closed the price from here. If you can see, so let's see. So if you can see, we are creating something like a build-up. We have these sellers, and again you have this engulfing bar. So I'm sure you might be asking yourself a question here: should you enter or should you wait? So like for myself, what I do is I would wait for this to be taken out. And this is a demand, and we're in an uptrend, so you wait. So if you can see, our price here is rejecting, creating what? This is to liquidity, inducing sellers. So here some people from here, they have sold, right? They are selling, right? But for me, I'm just waiting just to see what happens. Okay, so let's see what happens. Maybe we can have an increase for some people, so they will draw their demand zone from here, which is yes, correct, because this level, if it is, so this is not a demand, this is support, this is resistance. They will draw a resistance level from here, but the demand zone is here, right? The demand is this one, the order block, doji. Okay, so that's where we are waiting for price to come. Have you seen? So price is rejecting from support. Sometimes, yeah, support sometimes can work, sometimes. So if you can see, we are pushing, push. So once we need to see, once we take out this swing low, we'll just wait for a pullback and to be looking to buy. So if you can see, we fail to break. Price hits the level, and we are having a very good candle. So here what you do, no strategy is 100%. I'm telling you, I can lose even because we also have this demand from here, but I've entered. So we're going to target this next. Okay, 1 to 9. Let's see. TP hit. So if you can see the target, let's wait. Okay, P hit. So TP hit. So the best thing you need to do is you need to wait. But if you can see again, these guys, they were beating against some liquidity. This is liquidity. Okay, this was the order blocker from here, but price didn't touch it, right? They decided this one. Okay, then we've entered and we've made some money. So guys, thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you.